Hello everyone and welcome to SQL Development Crash Course. This is your host Mohan and we are at day 13 and today we are going to learn about few of the we are going to practice about a few of the interview questions which will be asked in any SQL developer interview, and those questions will be around the substring and like functions and the char index function which we have already learned in our last session. So without any further delay, let's move to the SQL Server Management Studio. So here we have our tables. Let's start from employee. We are just selecting all the records. So it has 100 records or 100 rows, and we have employee ID, name, department name, salary, and the joining date as the column name. Now, if someone will ask in the interview that you should find the first name of the employee from employee table, and maybe you will get this kind of structure of the table, or maybe they will show this table and ask you that you need to find out the first name of the employee from this data or this table. So what functions we use here? First, we know that the name includes first name and the last name. So we will use the substring function. So substring function, what it will do, it will display the substring or the part of the string. So here, for example, if we see the name Sara Reddy, Vikas Khan, Ira Patel, and so on, so we need to have in the output Sara, Vikas, Ira, etc. So what we will do, we will write the statement as select, and what we are selecting, we are selecting the substring, and the format of substring will be the first thing will be the expression or whatever the string you want to select. So here we want to select the name, so we can give the name of the column. So here column name is name, right? So select name, and what will be the starting point. So as we know that we only need to display the first name, so starting point will be one only, right? And till what point we want to display? So we want to display till the first name. So here we can't give the value like 4, because if we give like a 4, it will only display. Let me show you. So here if I will go give this, then what it will display only till the fourth letter, right? But in name we have different name. We don't have the unique name like only 4 digit first name is there, right? We have different names, so we can't give this static number here, because this number is changing, because for Sarah it is 4, for Vikas it is 5, for Ira it is 3, right? So and so on. So we can't give this name here, so we just want to get the position in the name where we have the space, because in the first name we have in the name we have first name and then space, and then last name. So it is true for all of the names. So what we will do, we will try to find the position of this space. And how we can do that? We can do by using the char index. So in the char index, the format is we will first see what we want to find. So we want to find the space, so we will put that inside those quotes, then comma, and we will put like which string, from which string we want to get it, or from which column. So again, want to use the column name, right? So here the substring will start from like the first place, and it will go until it finds the space, right? Now, if I will run this statement, you can see we have found the first name of all the employees, right? Or we can say as first name, right? So this is how we display the first name of the employee from a table. See, name is this, and this is the first name, right? So this is the this was the first question. Next, if someone will ask that find the last name, right? Find the last name of the employee. Okay, so in this case, we know that we need to only display this Reddy, Khan, Patel, Mehta, Bose, etc. So how we will display that? So again, we will use the same function, substring, right? So substring, but what we will do here, We'll start with like we'll take the name column because from there only we'll get the name. And now we have to start from after space, right? Wherever we see the after space, after that only last name starts. So how we can find the position of that space? Again, we will use the same char index function to get the space, right? Where we have the space. So position of that character where we have space. So what we will do again, we will get the name. So here what will it will give? It will give for here like in case of first row Sarah, it will give us the output as 4. But we don't need to start from 4. We want to start after the space, right? Because we want to get the second that last name, right? So what we will do? We will do here plus 1. So in so when this function runs here, like in the first row, it will give the output as 4 plus 1, 5. So last name is start with R. When it will run here, it will take like sixth place for the space, and plus 1 means seventh. It will start from K. So this will be the starting position. And here, what will be the end position? We don't know the how many what is the length of the whole name, right? So what we will do, we will just get the length and length of that column name, right? So what it will do, it will take the length. So here, whatever length it is there. So for example, if it will run here, it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will start from this sixth position and it will go till the last point, right? From EMP. Let's see what it give. So here we can see the name Reddy, Khan, Patel, Mehta, Mehta, Bose, Reddy, etc. Right? So here again we have used the substring, the name, and we have found the starting position that will be after space plus 1 because last name is starting after space, right? Or plus 1. Then length of the name. See till what point we want this substring to choose the value. So we are giving length of the that particular string. So this is how we find the last name. Now, so if I again run this select star from employee, you see the employee name. In some of the employee name, it is starting with small letter, and even the last name is also starting with a small letter, right? Small case letter. So here we have Sai Reddy, Sara Reddy, Rahul Mehta, Pooja Singh. All those names they are starting with the small letter, right? But now our condition is we want to uh, display the first name starting with capital letter or uppercase, whatever you say it. Okay. So now now here what we want to use, we will use the upper function as well. So what we need to see here that our name have a small letter in like first name and as well as the last name. But here our main focus will be on the first name. So first we want to get the this letter, first letter of the name, right? So how we will get the first letter? Again, we will use select and we will use the substring. Now in the substring, we'll take name as the string, and what we want to get the first letter. So we will start from first and we will go till first only because our focus is to convert this first letter into the capital letter. So this will, if I will run this, what I will get only first letter of all those names, out of which few of the names are small caps, right? So I need to convert this into the uppercase. So I will use this function upper. Again, I will put the bracket here. Now, if you see here at present, we have S is small, this S is small, A is small, P is small. But once we use this upper, it will be all uppercase, right? Now we need the full name, right? Like I mean the first name only. So it is only the first letter. Now we have remaining other letters as well. So what I will do, again I will, here I can use plus sign. If I will use plus sign and I will try to get the substring again. So again substring, and here column name will be name. And now we want to start with the second letter because we have already got the first letter and we have converted it into the uppercase in this string, substring. So now we want to start from the second one, and till what point we want to get? We want to get till the length. I mean, I will select the whole name. So once I will do this, you see, Sara, Vikas, Ira, Sai, Arohi, Pooja, Singh, every like first name has converted into the uppercase, right? Now, if I want to uh, display the last name starting with capital letter. So here at present, we have only changed the first letter of the first name as capital, but still you can see this Reddy or this Mehta or this Singh. And all those last name is starting with the small letter only. So what we will do here, we will again convert those that particular first letter of this last name into the uppercase. So what I will do, I'll do select substring. Okay, now I will again take this name, and it will start from what point? It will start from we'll get the char index of this space, right? And again I'll give the name, and after that I want to start +1, right? And end with uh, one only. Okay, yes, only one from EMP. Let's see if it will work. Right, so here we have got the first letter of the last name, right? So how we have done it? This is the string which we want to select, char index. We have found the position of space. So after space, our last name is starting. So that's why I have put it as +1, and we want to select only the first, like only the one character. That's why we have put it as 1. So we have got this one. Now I want to convert this into the uppercase. So here I will convert this into the uppercase. Now what it will do, it is converted. Now I want to select the whole last name, right? So again, substring I will use. So what I will say, I'll say substring, then here I will use name, and from where it will start from the first position, right? We will not start with the first, we will start with the we'll find the position, so char index, and then we will use this space, comma name, and here we'll start with second one because first letter we have already selected here. And till what point? Till the length of the name. Okay, as last name. Okay, so here we will, let's see what it will give us. So here it is giving us the last name of the employee, and here it has converted the first letter of the last name into the uppercase, right? Or if I want to say here name, comma upper. Okay, so here we can see we have last name as ready, right? So these are the two things I wanted to show you. Now just 1 minute. Okay, so now what you can do, or you can practice what you want to if you want to display the name, first name, and the second name. And first name and second name should start with capital letter, as well as you want to display this column as a capital, as in capital letter. So it the output should be name, and all like S should be capital and R should be capital. So Sara Reddy, in the first name Sara with S capital, and last name Reddy with R capital. So this is what I want to display in the output. So you guys can please practice this. It will be a good hands-on for you. Write a SQL query to extract the domain name from an email address stored in the column email of the table. So here we have another one table. If you see this table, here we have email address column name, and it has email. I want to select only the domain name. So in the output, I should get adventure-works.com. So how we will achieve that? Here, what I will say, select uh, email, oh sorry, select substring, and here I will take the substring as email address. Okay, and I will start from where I need to find the char index of at. Char index, here I will write at the rate, and again I will put this email address right here, and after that till what point? Till the length of the column. Email address, okay, as domain underscore name from person dot email address. Right, let's see what it will give. Okay, person dot email address. I will write from here. I will copy. Invalid object. Oh, sorry. I have to select the other database. See, now it is giving at also. So what I have done here, I have put this as this char index will take the place of this at, but we need +1 here, right? +1. So if I will write this one, it will give me the domain name, right? So this is how we can use the char index and substring to, or the length function to get the desired output which you want to display. Uh, okay, so now we will move with the like operator. So if you see this select a star from employee, we have particular we have 100 of employees here. So if you want to get the name of the employees where name is starting with A, so what we will do, we will write select star from EMP where like name like. Here I will write this single quotes and the character either in capital letter or small letter. Every both will work because it is case insensitive. Yeah, so we will run this command select star from EMP where name in a percentage, and then quote single quote and if I will run this command, I will get all the names, all the rows of the names where it is starting with A. Or if I want to select only name, I can select name as well. Name, select name from EMP where name like A percentage. Right? Now, if I want to find the names which are ending with A, so I will only change this position of A to the last. So here I will get all the names of the employee where name is ending with A. So here you see this Mehta, Mishra, Gupta, all those are ending with A. And now if I want something like, for example, the first row we have Sara. So we want the names where the fourth character of the name is A. So how we will do that? Again, select name from employee where Now here we want the fourth character as A. So we will type underscore four times. So here one, two, three, four. And then what we want A, not four. I think yeah, third. And we have to type it for three times. And after that, I will put the character which I want and we'll do that percentage. So what it will do? It will select all the names where the fourth character has the A, right? So here you can see Sara, Vikas, Ishan, Dia, Karan, all has the fourth character as A. So this is again one of the use of like operator. And so now if I want a name, for example, uh, the name which starts with S and or maybe the name with start with S and end with Y, right? So what I will do, I will put as name like uh, S percentage A, right? Let's see what we will get. Sai Malhotra, or sorry, we wanted S and end with Y. All right, so here we will get Sara Reddy and Sai Reddy, both of the names starting with S and it is ending with Y, right? And so this is another example. And if you want to find a name which is starting with, for example, VI, right? If I want the name which is starting with VI, what I will do, I will put this VI and I will put the percentage here. So I will get all the names which starting with VI. And again, if I want some names which is ending with something like AN, so it will have all the names and end with AN, right? Khan, Khan, Khan. You can see this. Okay. And if I want the name where we have red D, right? DDY. So we can again find by doing this like operator. Okay. And now if I want all the names which is starting with either A, I, A, E, I, O, U, all the vowels, what I will do here, I will write where name like it is ending with A. Okay. Okay. So all the names we have starting with A. Now you also want the name which is starting with E, A, E, I, O, U, right? We have those five vowels. So now if I will put this, it will give me A, E. Now I will put another such condition here or A, E, I, O, and then I will put U. So if I will run this statement, it will give me all those names which is starting either A, I, O, U. So all the vowels, the names which are starting with vowels. This is one way of writing this. Another way of writing this is we can write select name from EMP where name like we can put all this together inside this bracket, right? So here we can write A, E, I, O, U, right? Here I will close it and put this percentage and this single quotes. Now I will get all the names which is starting either A, I, E, A, E, I, O, U. You can see all those names are starting with A, E, I, O, U, right? So if you see that out of 100, only 42 names are there which starting with vowels. And if I want other way around, so we want to get the name which is starting with the consonant. So I will just put this not operator here, not like. So now I will get those 58 rows where the names are starting with consonants. So this is it for today. And I will request everyone that please go and practice this, because if you don't practice, you will not get the sense of it. Or maybe you will be in the assumption that you know everything. But when you try to do it, will face some issue and then you will be discouraged. So please start practicing and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.